All right, what's up everybody? We're here with our washing machine and unfortunately we've got no water coming out when we press that button to turn it on. No water. So in this video I'm going to show you what's going on and how we got it fixed. Let's get started. All right, so let me explain to you what we've got going on. This washing machine, when you close it and you turn it on and click start, basically no water comes out. No water. So a couple of things. Number one, you can try resetting the washing machine. And so to do that, you can Google how to reset the Whirlpool washing machine, but you basically turn this all the way up and then it's something like 1 click to the left and then 3 clicks to the right and then 1 click to the left. So you go, let's pretend it's at the start, you go boom, 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 or something like that. Yours might actually vary by model. And so that was kind of what was going on. That didn't work because after you reset it, it goes through all the lights and it kind of does its systems check and whatever. And of course I'm no expert, so that's what I did. It didn't work. So the next thing I did was unplug it and then wait 5 minutes and plug it back in. That didn't work. And then I made sure that the water was on and turned on. And I kind of went like this, you know, I didn't turn it off, I just kind of jiggled it. Maybe there's some kind of impediment happening. And that didn't work. And so we called in the big guns, and this is what we kind of saw. And before we get too much further, let me welcome you to this channel. Do lots of home projects around the house. Nothing's off limits. Click that subscribe button, like this video, and share this with somebody that you think might benefit from it. And if you're interested in turning your hobbies into real cash like I'm doing, I'm going to teach you how you can make real money. Yes, from start to finish, we have serious money coming in for our family from this YouTube channel. Check out the link in the description below if you're interested in learning more. So the repairman just stepped out. Let's take a peek back here. You can see the water lines. He's got those disconnected from the washer and it's unplugged. And here is what he did. He took the faceplate off of this and you can see there's 2 pins right there, the electric pins, and then this part plugs in to those electric pins and it plugs into those 2 black tubes. This is the faceplate that you take off and you just, with a screwdriver, just back these pins out. Super, super easy job, I think, if you know or suspect what's going on. Again, the symptom of this machine was water wasn't coming out. And he, of course, took the filters off and made sure that those were not plugged. Here's a picture of the part that was replaced. I think it's the water inlet valve or solenoid valve. There was basically a crack in that green cylinder thing. But again, pretty easy to take out on your own. And so, unfortunately, I didn't get to see the part, or I did, but I didn't get to film the part. But he got it all put back together. There was a crack in that piece, and he got it all put back together here. And so this is definitely a DIY job. Make sure the water's turned off, and you unplug the water valves. You can see them, or you twist those off right there. And the other one right there. He left these on. And so you really want to disconnect it from the water source to the actual where it meets it plugs in the back of the washer. Make sure the water again is off, and then have towels and stuff because it's going to be a hot mess. And you want to make sure that's unplugged. And you back this whole thing out. If it is filled with water, you'll need to drain the water first, back the whole thing out, and then you take off all those little screws with the screwdriver, and then you can replace that part. Definitely a DIY job, something that I would have done myself if I were actually home. This is all in Spanish. I'm actually in Mexico, and so I don't have a toolkit with me. Otherwise, I would definitely handle this myself. And I actually did a bunch of YouTube, of course. You know who I am if you've been following this channel. You know I research the heck out of things and try to understand it first. So I had a good idea that it was either dirty filters on the ends of these, from the water here being kind of hard and having sediment that was blocked, or it was this pump that is on the other side of this, and that pump piece needed to be replaced. So that's kind of what we did, and hopefully this has helped you out.